Welcome back, everybody. So this is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up the LibreOffice into your Arch Linux, or for that matter, anything else. Just you need to switch out whether you're using Fedora or something, then just use that one, those packages, or that package manager. But let's go ahead and set up the. So right now I don't have the LibreOffice installed. So let's go ahead and install the console. Open the console. Let me zoom this in. Let's go ahead and so there are two package versions. There is called LibreOffice Steel, and then there is called LibreOffice Fresh. Um, you want to go with the LibreOffice Fresh, so that way it has the feature branch with new program enhancement and other stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. Install that. As you can see, let's install that. It's gonna be quick. So pay attention to the optional dependency here. Um, some of them are already installed, but I'll show you how to enable the spell checking and other stuff later. But let's go ahead and um, check the LibreOffice install or not. So we can go ahead, we can go to the Office. As you can see, we have it. So let's open the calculator, the LibreOffice. Nice. Now that we have the LibreOffice Calc and other stuff, Word should work fine. Let's go ahead and open the Word writer. Yep, you can write the word, so that's good. So for enabling the let me see here. For enabling the spell checking, there is this. You can install first. Let's do install some fonts. So you can install some of the fonts. So you can install, let's say, TTF Liberation. So these are the alternative font or open source font for some of the Microsoft fonts, essentially, like Arial or the Times New Roman or some other stuff. Liberation, and then we'll install the Adobe Source Sans fonts and Adobe Source Serif. Let's install the serif one also. Serif. All right. Yeah. It seems like the TTF Liberation is already installed, but let's go ahead and do that. My hair is a little bit annoying. All right. So if you open the Word, now those fonts should be here. So we got the Noto Sans Serif, yes, Hans and other stuff is here. All right. So those are here. So you can type in Chinese or other stuff. So that's a good thing. Um, then let's go ahead and do, so right now there is no spell checking, as you can see. So first what we need to do is install something called Hunspell. So that's a package for spell checking. Hunspell, let's install that. Oh, it's already installed, so that's nice. Right. And then we can go ahead and do the spell checking here. So we can go to not customize, we can go to options, and we can search into the language and locales general. That's writing aids is here, and then is the diff- available language modules. So we need to add the, no, that's a dictionary. Is it because I need to restart it? Let me double check. I think it's because we might not have any, um, right. Uh, it's because we might not have any install the language packages. Right. So for that, I think I need to add the in, sorry, did I enable the, okay, multilib is there, en underscore us. There's no AUR package. Oh, Hunspil. No, should be Hunspell. Sorry, my bad. Yes. So that will install the English dictionary, the spell checking. Okay. Let's go ahead and close this and reopen the writer. Hopefully this time it should work. Language. Yes. So spell checker. Hunspell spell checker here. So English USA. You can add more. So I think Hunspell has. So if you go to the, let me open the Falcon here. Sorry. So now you can see like it has the dictionary, grammar checking, and other stuff. But if you want some other stuff, like you go to the packages and just search Hunspell, then you can get all the dictionary for other languages also. So just install the one that you need. And so I installed the ENUS one here. So the English US dictionary. I can install the ENAU one also. So if I install this one, ENAU, then it should install the Australian dictionary as well. And then we can go ahead and restart this so that I don't need to save it actually. Right. So if you go and check that, so Hunspell checker here, and then you have the Australia or USA. So you can check that here. Um, so there are other packages for grammar and other stuff as well that you can download, but generally, basically, this is how you install the LibreOffice, and that should be good enough for most of the stuff that you need to do. This is the main page, like math based database, drawing, calculator, sorry, spreadsheet, and writer. So they have some math one also. If you're into that kind of thing, I never particularly use this one, but you know, you might need to install some other stuff as well. But um, yeah, I think I wanted to keep this one a quick one, like 10-minute video. But let me know how it goes. You need any help with the LibreOffice, leave a like, comment, and leave your questions. If you need some particular help, I can make a video about it. But that's it for this one. See you guys.